Go and Grow kits from Pleasant View Gardens. New for 2014, Pleasant View offers 5 liner kits that take the guesswork out of ordering for buyers and finishing for growers. Go and Grow kits streamline the order process with variety and quantity, packaged into a simple and fast single line item order. Orders are placed with an easy one-stop order form. Every kit includes branded containers, tags, and applicable POP. It's the perfect package for growing and retail selling. Smart combinations and optimal quantities maximize space and turn time. Growers get the best of Proven Winners plants and Proven Winners branding. Plants, packaging, and POP combined into one kit net growers savings up to 5%. Go and Grow kits for 2014 include Go and Grow Enhanced 72 kit with premium enhanced 72 liners, including 24 bestsellers and new varieties. 32 EL72 trays yield 2,304 plants or 288 4.5-inch trays. Go and Grow the Edible Collection Kit. Easy Grow top-selling herbs. 16 trays of 128 liners, 2 full boxes yield 2,048 plants. Go and Grow Clematis Kit. Quick finish programmed 1801 liners, 4 top-selling Proven Selections varieties, 4 trays yield 72 plants, production recipes and trellises included. Go and Grow Hanging Basket Kit. Popular Proven Winners basket combos and the 2014 National Combo. Growing instructions and planograms included. 3 128 liner trays yield 64 baskets. Go and Grow Savvy Succulent Kit. Choose from 2 preset combos or create combos from selections of water-wise succulents. 8 32 liner trays yield 64 8-inch decorative bowls. Go and Grow kits, the buying and growing solution for easy orders, smooth growing, and sure sell at retail. Exclusively available from Pleasant View.